Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Thursday and marks another trading day of the week. So, before we go to the chart, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, we have unemployment claims and final GDP at 12:30 Ghana time. And looking at the GDP, we're expecting neutral. Unemployment claims, we're expecting negative. Core durable goods order monthly, we're expecting negative. And durable goods order monthly, we're expecting negative as well. Final GDP price index, we're expecting neutral. And at 2 p.m., medium impact news, existing home sales, of which we're expecting neutral as well. These are the fundamentals we have for today. So let's go back to the chart. And yesterday, you can see some shit markets, of which all sellers were dead. Sorry, all buyers were dead. All buyers dying, bro. The market fucked all buyers up, of course, because there was a sell confirmation right here. Nice. So a pullback for continuation sell-off. But of course, yesterday, after I finished my account, I decided not to trade, so I didn't mind whatever going on in the market. So what is really likely to happen today? Now you can see that we have bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing, yesterday's candle closing below the opening of the Tuesday's candle, indicating more likely sales. So the question is, how far can gold sell? Does it mean that we are going back to these levels, 36.85? Are we going back there? Time will tell. So let's go to H4 and find out what's happening in H4. Right, so if you look at H4, you can see that we have tested this level. Yes, of course, we tested. After testing 23, the market flew all the way to 51 and got rejected because there was a breakout right there. So you can see that we tested the breakout, dropped, and now still pushing back to that level. So the question is it really going to break that structure or not? But if you look here, this is a perfect structure of which I'm hopeful to see the market touch it. And it can even go all the way to the 60 area, right? Or the 60 area before we can see maybe probably a drop. All right. Looking at what is happening on daily, the market might push before the drop. So what exactly can we do today? Looking at the H4 chart, for me to sell, I would like to see what will happen at the 53 to the 60 area. All right, 53 to 60. Then I will see. But you remember there was this also another breakout of which still got respected for the pullback. So is it still going to the 45 for a drop? Whatever happens, we just have to wait and see what's going to happen. Now, if you look at H1, you can see that H1 has tested nicely, right? H1 tested these levels nicely. Yeah. But if you look at it very well, you can see we have another breakout above this level and also a sell entry confirmation right here. So if I want to sell this market, I would expect the market touching this level, then I will be willing. And this is going to give you 120 pip stop loss. That is fucking crazy. Right. But of course, the reward is still good. Can even target all the way to the downside like this. Right. So if we are allowing the market to go here, then we will have to look for a snipe entry so that the stop loss will be a little tight. That is if the market is really ready to go to the top, right? Because that is where I would like to sell from. Secondly, the market has also given another sell confirmation. There's a bearish engulfing right there, H1, and it is also sitting on a zone. So it can also touch there and drop. But I'm not interested in this particular one. Why am I not interested? I'm not interested because if you look here, you can see the market has activated a certain demand zone right there. And that is why you are seeing the push. So it might go all the way here. And from there, we may drop massively to the downside. All right. So I will advise everybody to exercise patience. Once the road is clear, we all can go. So you see the demand I was talking about, this is it. A nice demand zone right there. Yeah. So guys, let's just relax ourselves. I'm sure it is now 2:41 a.m. Ghana time. And by 7 a.m., 8, 9 a.m., if the market is really going to go here, we all are going to see. And then once we see, we can trade. If not, and the market respect this level and drop, we are still going to get something to trade. All we need is patience, and the market would surely present opportunity for us. This is PiP Hunter here, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. This is PiP Hunter here, and the PiP must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.